I just one thing for everybody. Make sure the arm not too big. Okay? So for example, I go to the side, right? Look, I just feel my back of my palm. Very sensitively push away. Do you see how much? That's enough. I will not go more. Okay? If I go more, elegance gone. Okay? You go more, elegance gone. Elegance gone. And then even you do ground play, I do break. Look, I focus on my fingertips. I reach out. And then I go ground play. I'm not focused on flying. Flying. And then go. See the elegance gone. You clear? So listen girls, I always tell you that ballet arm make it smaller, just like you eat on by the formal table. You ask people, say, oh, can you give me the salt and pepper? Salt and pepper. You go there to pick up, put on a video, or you go there, grab it, and then up. See, that's how different story, right? So I need you really make a little smaller and make more elegant. Okay? So don't go big. When you need to go big, I will tell you. Like you are fengji or whatever, you need to go big. Okay, I will tell you. But here, make it smaller. You look more elegant. Okay, girls? Okay.